Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I want to share a circuit with battery voltage protection, reverse polarity protection and high current control. Special thing, everything will be done on the website. You will get a complete circuit board with no need to plug or solder components anymore. At the official website, EasyEDA.com. We can download the circuit design software to use on the computer, or design the circuit directly here. This is the circuit I have designed. Low voltage protection circuit, reverse polarity protection, and status indicator light. Low voltage protection is adjusted by potentiometer. You can download all in the description of this video. When choosing components, you have to go to the JLCPCB assembly library and pay attention to the stock of the components. Here comes almost all the electronic components. Components are out of stock. You can find equivalent parts to replace. This is the printed circuit that has been designed. We can see the 3D result. After confirming everything is fine, we will proceed to export the necessary files to place the printed circuit. We need 3 files: BOM, PCB fabrication file, pick and place file. At JLCPCB website, we will upload the necessary files. First is PCB Gerber file. Choose to use SMT Assembly service. Then upload BOM files, pick and place files. Here, double-check all the components carefully. Then proceed to order and pay. And here are the results after 1 week. Complete printed circuit board with all components from JLCPCB. First, we will adjust the potentiometer clockwise to the last position. Then we supply the power with the value we want the circuit to turn off. Here, I want the circuit to turn off when the voltage is below 11 volts to protect the battery. Slowly adjust the potentiometer counterclockwise until the low light is on. This is the normal state. OK, LED will be on. When the input is inverted, the fault LED is on. When the input voltage is lower than the set value, the low LED will be on and the output will have no voltage. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time.